One of the things we rarely talk about when it comes to the rig rundowns and whatnot is the maintenance of the machines. We all know that everything Sherwood has a 5-year warranty on it, which is fantastic, but you can keep the doctor at bay by eating the right apples. The apples in this case being 5 very quick and easy steps to maintain this machine. Number 1, regular cleaning. It sounds so obvious, but if you got a blower, just blow it out every now and again. Every time you use the thing, just give it a quick clean. Clean up the paper with a rubber stick. Do all that fun stuff. Just absolutely clean it every single time you use it. So incredibly easy to do. Takes 20 seconds, and the process of cleaning it will actually help you find anything that might have gone wrong as well. Number 2, belt inspection. Make sure it's got no signs of wear and tear, burning, whatever. Make sure it's clean. If it's starting to fray, you know, swap it out, get a new one. That'll make a huge difference. A belt that is wearing unevenly will sand unevenly. It won't work as well. Nice and straightforward. Number 3. Number 3, tracking adjustment. Make sure the belt is sitting on the rollers properly. It's not adjusting up and down. It's not moving in any kind of weird way. And also 3.5, we'll call it, belt tension. You can adjust the tension here as well. Fairly straightforward stuff. Number 4 is actually not this machine, but it's related to this machine. Number 4 is dust extraction. Although I suppose making sure this isn't clogged up is good, but making sure that your dust collection is working properly and the bag's not overly full, so it's backing up the hose and whatnot. If the machine can't exhale properly at the extraction end, it can't inhale properly at the machine end, which would back everything up and stuff things up. Make sure your extraction is set up properly and working correctly. Number 5, and the sexiest one of all, lubrication. Have a look through the manual. You'll find out what needs to be lubricated, what doesn't. You want to keep the dust out of there, but you want to also make sure there is a bit of lubrication in there so that it's not just gumming everything up. I don't know if we can see it, but under here, there is a big old post that's always oily. That's definitely a good spot to keep lubricated. But again, check the manual for all the lubrication points that need to be there. And last but not least, I know I said there was 5, but this is a bonus one. Number 6 is a safety check. This isn't really maintenance, this is to keep your fingers attached to your hands and your beard attached to your face. You want to absolutely make sure that all of the guards are on, they're all on there properly, everything is tight, nothing's loose, you know, everything's locked down and nothing's going to move the way it's not supposed to, you know. We gotta be safe, or else what's the point of buying the machines? And then if you don't have the machines, what's the point of anything? Now, even after all those 5 plus 1 bonus one, if there's something that's not quite right, there is a warranty form on Timbecon's website. It's down the bottom in the first column in the footer. There's a thing that says warranties. You scroll down past Jeff's lovely face and you'll see a little green button, and you click on that and it says warranty, and there's a form. You fill it out and you upload a picture or a video of the problem, and one of the team will get back to you and we will get you sorted out and squared away and back to work. So there you go. 5 ways to properly maintain this machine, and one bonus one that'll help keep your fingies on your hands. Because, you know, we all like our fingies. If it's your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. All that fun YouTube-y, like-a-scribe, doobly-doo stuff. I'm Phil Shinbine, and I'll see you when next I see you. Fingies? I'm a grown man. Fingers. They're called fingers. Let's watch them fing for much longer. So there you have it, the Sherwood 6. So there you have it, the Sherwood SO.